My name is Ödül Öden. I'm regional manager for Europe and Americas. MKE is a state-owned company established 600 years ago, so very huge history dating back to Ottoman Empire. Right? So we are a state-owned company and affiliated by Ministry of National Defense. We are producing more than 470 different type of products. Currently exported more than 105 countries globally. Each year we are raising our export and market share as well everywhere. So most of our products are currently in use by our own Turkish army. So most of them are combat proven, and also we are exporting to friendly and allied countries all over the world. This year, 36 Turkish companies attended this fair, and this exhibition is mainly focused to law enforcement and police forces and products. And we are exhibiting many of our products here, and we will be going to show you. So our main purpose is to expand our business here, and not only in the civilian part, but also in the army side as well. I mean the defense side as well. Our main focus, of course, the Germany here, but also the European countries as well. As MKE, as I mentioned before, we have a very huge portfolio. We have 11 factories in Turkey. 5 of them is the end products, is delivering the end products. The other 6 factories are producing the raw materials. So as MKE, we are not just a producer, but we are also producing the raw materials part. And also we have a only authorized company who has the authority to recycle all the scrap and all the valuable scrap materials. So we are collecting these scrap materials from the institutions of Turkey and recycling them and obtaining the steels and brass, the valuable recycled materials, and turning them to ammunition cartridges and to the weapons as well. So we are starting from first producing the raw materials, powder, single base, double base, triple base, and also producing the end products as well. So this allows us to have a huge capability to produce them. Currently, worldwide, including a European country as well, in 8 countries, 10 different producing lines we already established, and we are delivering our technology there. Establishment of such a kind of technology transfer, we are also giving our technology for raising the local production as well. Here are some of our cartridges and ammunition group here, starting with 5.56 up to 20 millimeter. And also we have some anti-drone ammunition which we produced very recently by the end of last year. So we produced 12.7 millimeter anti-drone ammunition along with the 20 millimeter anti-drone ammunition. We have some smoke and flashbangs here, some gas masks for CBRN purposes we are using in this area. In this area, we are exhibiting our sniper rifles here. As you can see, the first one is the multi-caliber sniper rifle, which we can share the caliber by only changing the bolt mechanism, magazine, and the barrel in just a couple of minutes. So it has 2 caliber. One is the NATO standard caliber 7.62, the other one is 8.59. So it's a multi-caliber sniper rifle here. Also we have general purpose machine gun 7.62 NATO caliber, and the globally known the competition winner Bora sniper rifle, which are currently our Turkish army is using that sniper rifle as well. In weapon sections consist different type of rifles, as you can see. Anti-material sniper rifle with a caliber of 50 cal, and also some semi-automatic sniper rifles, automatic sniper rifles, submachine guns, grenade launchers, and in different caliber automatic infantry rifles, fully designed and manufactured by our own engineering and know-how. We are, as I mentioned before, we are manufacturing them by using our own raw materials in our factories. So these are the fully designed and developed locally in Turkey by MKE. In ammunition group, we are sharing our product portfolio starting from 25 millimeter anti-aircraft ammunition here. As you can see here we are showing the medium and large caliber guns and ammunition group here. 155 tank ammunition. Also there are some mortars, mortar ammunition, 60 millimeter, 81 millimeter, some smoothbore and rifled mortar, different type of mortar ammunition available here, and some extended range ammunition also available in this area. In this area, we are exhibiting our 50 cal machine gun, 12.7 millimeter. It's a quick change barrel machine gun, and also 40 millimeter automatic grenade launcher. On the behind, as you can see, there is our PIRANA product, which is Kamikaze unmanned surface vessel, which has a capability of having a swarm attack capability. It has a capability of loading 65 kilo explosives. We are the only authorized Ministry of Defense company who can provide the explosives for the Kamikaze unmanned surface vessel, and also for the fuses as well and the warheads. We developed this product with a speed of more than 50 knots speed. It has stealth capability, so it cannot be detected by the radars. Only 35 centimeter from the sea surface, and it has a range of more than 200 nautical miles. This is Tolga short-range air defense system. Drone threats are evolving nowadays. Different type of drones are available in the market and can be used by the terrorists. So different type of drone threats, and as I mentioned before, drone threats are evolving. So our counter systems should evolve itself. That's why MKE took a decision, very critical decision, to have a countermeasure system for all type of mini-micro drone threats. And the system has a capability of protecting the critical infrastructure, critical area, to protect by a layered protection model consisting of soft kill and hard kill together, which means that in the soft kill part, first we are detecting the drones by using our own radar system. It is first detecting the mini micro drones from long ranges like 4 kilometer and 5 kilometer. It has also the capability to detect them while on the move. We are first in the first layer, as you can see, 10 kilometer distance. We are jamming them and try to neutralize them. But as I mentioned in the beginning of my interview, some kind of drones cannot be detected. Cannot be jammed because they are, cabled or electro-optic guided. That's why the hard kill option should be there. So our second option is hard kill. But in the hard kill options, we are offering different calibers, starting from 12.7 millimeter up to 35 millimeter. And we proved in our own on-site demonstration, which was conducted on November 2025. We conducted almost 24 different type of live scenarios, and we neutralized all of the drones successfully, 100% successfully. We implement different type of approach scenarios, close approach, high approach. Within these 24 different type of scenarios, we neutralized more than 40 drones in a row. And the good news is that at the end of March 27, we will be conducting the second live demonstrations for the system. And we currently signed more than 2 contracts worldwide regarding this system. So it's a site-proven system. In this section, as you can see, here is our small arms ammunition assembly line, and there are different Turkish-made machineries, as you can see here, starting with the priming machine, varnishing machine, loading machine, visual inspection machine, and automatic packing machine available here. So with one line, up to 9mm caliber, we can offer to produce almost 20 million rounds on annual capacity. So we can produce annually based 20 million pieces for each line. Also for 50 cal, we can produce 6 million pieces by each line on yearly basis. And for 20 millimeter, for each line, we can obtain almost 3 million pieces from one deadline. If the end user doesn't have any know-how how to establish a production line, we are transferring all the know-how and all the technology transferring for the friend and allied countries based on the permissions which is granted by the Ministry of National Defense of Republic of Turkey. Actually, MKE is offering end-to-end solution for each end users. It means that we are not only the manufacturer of ammunition and the weapons, but also the manufacturer of the raw materials. We are not just offering to sell some items, but we are doing that engineering from the scratch. What we are offering worldwide is that we give utmost importance for localization of each product and offers that we made. Not only the technology of transfer, but also the sustainability of the system with the raw materials. And on the other hand, we are sometimes what we are offering to our customers is that we are going to be their customers if we are in need with these raw materials as well. So this is a very good, win-to-win deal for each part.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.